Hello everyone, today we are going to see one more JSB authentic recipe patrode, or you can say colocasia rolls. This is little different as here we are going to use some rice and some yellow lentils. So let's see the ingredients. Here I have taken 10 colocasia leaves. First wash the leaves, then remove thick veins of the leaves. Then we need 5 to 6 dry red chilies, lemon sized tamarind, asafoetida, 1 tablespoon salt or as per your taste, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 cup tur dal, 1 cup rice, you can take any type of rice. Both dal and rice soak in the water separately for 3 to 4 hours. Now to prepare stuffing of these rolls, we are going to grind everything except colocasia leaves, dry red chilies, tamarind, asafoetida, turmeric powder, some salt, soaked dal, soaked rice, and we are going to add very little water. This paste should not be very runny, otherwise when we are going to apply this on the leaves, it will become difficult to hold the leaves together. Now take a colocasia leaf and apply a layer of blended masala on that. Now put another leaf on the first leaf and repeat the process. We have to repeat this process for 5 to 6 colocasia leaves. Now start making the rolls as shown in the video. Roll this nicely and tightly. Now we are going to steam this for 15 to 20 minutes. If you want to check whether it's done or not, simply insert a toothpick. If it comes out clean, your patroda is ready. Now take it out from the steamer. Now let it cool down for 5 to 10 minutes. Now cut this roll with the knife to thin rounds or as per your choice. You can serve this as it is or even you can shallow fry this. If you want a little crispy taste, you can also deep fry this. I personally prefer shallow fry, as you can see in the picture. So our patroda is ready. Thanks for watching our video. If you like it, please share and subscribe our channel.